Well, a pleasant day to everybody who might be watching this video. We want to welcome all the farmers, gardeners, homesteaders, um, whatever title that you're going through or going by today. Um, as promised, I said I was going to do shout outs every Wednesday. I'm excited to do this. Um, I know different ones have helped me through the 3 years I think that I've had this channel. One of the other channels that I had a long time ago, still have, but I'm not doing anything with that. I know it takes other channels helping other channels out, and that's how we grow. Um, so this is what I have been planning on doing every Wednesday. I really wanted to have it done last night and then have it on around 6 o'clock, 6, 7 o'clock this morning. Um, Things got in the way. You know, I watch a lot of channels, and I know with this whole keeping ourselves separated from other people, it frees up a lot of time. In fact, I went to get some more rabbit cages yesterday, and the gentleman that I got it from, he had said, this is the first time in years that I've been able to rake my back lawn. He was out raking his back lawn. And yes, we kept our 6 foot distance. Other than when I passed him some money. And friends, that's hard for me because I like to shake hands. I am a handshaker. When I shake somebody's hands, I'm looking them right in the eyes. With certain people, I'm a hugger. And, not to be able to do that anymore right now, not feeling comfortable doing that right now, that's different. This whole thing has really changed a lot of people. But you know what? I'm believing that it's all going to work out for the good. Yes, we might have a little bit of a time that we're going to have to be careful, and we might struggle for a while, but because of my faith in the Lord, I believe that we're going to be okay. We just need to trust Him. So, I'm going to try to make this not a long video. I'm hoping that I can keep it somewhere under 10 minutes. So let's see how we do. The first channel, and this channel has really encouraged me. It's a couple that is about my age, give or take. I know what they share in their description, so I'm going to say that we're just about the same age. And this is a family who used to have cows and steers and chickens and goats and all those things. And they moved to an in-town garden, or an in-town place, just like what my wife and I are here. We're doing everything on less than an acre, and I wish I had about a 20-acre lot with some fields, woods, a stream, but you know what? My hat's off to this couple. They're fun to watch. They do quite a bit of cooking. Has anybody guessed who it is yet? They encourage other people that are gardening and homesteading and farming. They have sent, when they reply to quite a few of my videos, they've said that, to watch the people on their channel, that they're great people, and they are. I have had quite a few that have come over to my channel and like what they're seeing, and they've had good comments. Has anybody guessed who it is yet? It's Paige, Family Homestead, Our Journey Back. Great couple. They're so fun. I love when they're doing their cooking videos, and they've got some great tips. They're down to earth. They're funny. They bring a chuckle to me. And, as busy as I've been, whether it's the ministry or out in the bunny barn or with the chickens, planning stuff, I need that chuckle. So, Paige Family Homestead, Our Journey Back. Please, please, please. If you've never been to their channel, if you've never subscribed to their channel, please do. Watch their videos, get a chuckle, get a laugh, and learn something. And to this couple, I want to thank you so much for your support in sending people my way, as I have yours. So, and I will leave a link to their channel in the description box. Please, please, please go and check them out. The other one, this is a brother in the Lord who I have so enjoyed interacting with, whether it's here on YouTube. We have exchanged each other's phone numbers, and we've been texting back and forth. He's been asking me a lot of questions on rabbits. Is one particular boy, he's been doing live streams, talking about a lot about this coronavirus, and with somebody, I forgot what they called that age group, but the younger generation. How is it affecting them? What are their thoughts on that? With us, who might be in the baby boomer age, we have our way of thinking of it because of different things that we've gone through. Anyways, Arkansas Woodcutter. Please, please, please visit his channel. He's doing some gardening. He does a lot of discussion about world topics, but he does it in a fun way. I know back a while ago he did a series on making sourdough bread. That was fun to watch. He didn't share any with me, though. I'm a little disappointed there. So please visit him. Give him the support. I think a lot of times in the videos he's asking for help, asking for tips. And I like doing that. With the rabbits, I've been able to do that with him. So please check out Arkansas Woodcutter. Okay, and then we've got, and this is a new one to me. I've been replying to a lot of his videos, or some of his videos. And I noticed today I wasn't subscribed to him. Unless I might have hit an unsubscribe, not on purpose. Sometimes I can get trigger happy. This is a gentleman. He also raises some rabbits. I know he's got chickens. Reading the description earlier, I noticed that he started out, it was mostly gardening. And through the years, he's changed his videos more into, he does talks. In fact, one of the videos, let's take a drive, and I want to watch that when I get done here. So check him out. It's another smaller channel. He's got 911 subscribers. Check him out. Support him. And all these channels. Let him know that I sent you there. I think that's a big way of how we can grow. Knowing who is supporting you, who's helping you. And a lot of times if somebody who is subscribed to you and you're doing something and it's mentioned that, so-and-so does rabbits or chickens or has a garden or goats or whatever, you might find a new friend. Okay, here's another one. Ecuador Homestead. Now, I guess what really inspired me with this young man is because he's young and he's doing quite a few things. In the description it says Ecuador Homestead is a homesteading channel that shows people how we homestead in Ecuador and how life is in Ecuador. And I'm sure from the videos it's changed. Now I know he does do he's got one video, and I watched that one, where he talks about his thoughts on this whole coronavirus. He shows gardening tips, and to me that's interesting because I like to see how different people are doing their gardening methods in different parts of the world. In Ecuador, the way he gardens probably wouldn't help me. But if I was trying to help another gardener learn from mistakes, I might be able to take some of what this channel has showed to help somebody else in a similar situation. So absolutely check Ecuador Homestead. Again, I'll leave a link. So I went a little over 10 minutes. I want to thank you for everybody who has supported my channel, everybody who has supported the J&L Ministries channel. I wouldn't be able to have grown where I am if it hadn't have been for you. If it hadn't have been for all the support, I probably wouldn't have made these videos. No, I'm a small channel, I know that. But you know what? I like sharing. I love the interaction that I have with other people. To me, that's very important. And here in these times where we're separating ourselves, some, like us, are in lockdown. In Maine, we're in lockdown. It doesn't mean that we can't go, but they really advise that we don't. So, this is a way, by watching some of these channels or videos, learning of what you want to do this year in your growing season, or if you've got livestock, how to tend to them. Might give you some new ideas. As this channel's going, I got my desktop, I've got 2 monitors, I'm watching. There's garlic. There's garlic when it was growing. It had just come out of the ground. Docks that I've put in for different people. I mean, I've got all kinds of things. There's onions. Oh, my goodness. Look at those onions. So, thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. Go check these channels out. If you're looking for videos this Friday on the little bit that I've got started on my seeds. And then Monday, the rabbit updates. And there's been a lot of interest in those videos. So, love you, friends. God bless you. Have a safe day.